Almost 30 years ago, I entered the county legislature in a class of 4 other colleagues, one of whom was Tom Abinanti. We were freshmen of the county legislature together. We served at leadership positions side by side for 4 years in the county. A few years after that, we wound up being colleagues in the state assembly. It has been his leadership on the issue, and while I gave the pen to David McKay Wilson, if I had a duplicate pen, I'd give it to Tom, because he was insistent on the issue of parkland protection, and I agreed with him in principle, and we found a way to get to both goals. And Tom, your aggressive leadership is welcomed. Please share your thoughts here in your hometown.
Thank you. Thank you, George. Having served as a county legislator for almost 19 years, I saw the good that county government could do if it has the resources. I also saw how difficult it is to be the county executive in times when you don't have the resources. George has managed to bring everyone together, to give everybody a new spirit, so that we all look forward and not back, and we see how good county government can be. Now all we have to do is find the resources so a good county executive can do all of the things that we all want done. So I'm very pleased to have been part of the effort to give you those resources. What I saw after I left the County Board of Legislators was that the county train was rushing headlong into a financial disaster. There was going to be a financial train wreck if something wasn't done. When George got elected and presented his first budget, he hit the brakes. He slowed that train down. But he realized he was not going to be able to stop it and turn it around unless we did something dramatic. And he came to us with a dramatic plan. And we adopted that plan. We gave him that spur so that his train can come off of that track and turn around and start going in the opposite direction. What's the best part of this plan, I think, is not only are you saving the taxpayers of the county property taxes, you're also throwing a lifeline, if I can mix metaphors here, to our school districts, our towns, and our villages who do not have alternative revenue sources. The sales tax is an alternative revenue source. This constitutes a Homeowners Protection Act. A Homeowners Protection Act for all property taxpayers in Westchester County. A Homeowners Protection Act for all property taxpayers in Westchester County. So we should be proud of what we did here. As we look, we see our school districts are going to benefit, our villages and towns are going to benefit, so long as Westchester County benefits, so long as Westchester County continues to thrive. And I'm back to where I started. Under George's leadership, I see Westchester County thriving and doing very, very well in the future. And we're going to get lots of tax revenue as a result of this move. So thank you for giving me a chance to be part of this today, and thank you for your leadership.
Thank you.